Have you ever wanted to group several pages together under one main page in WordPress, like having a services page with sub pages for web design, SEO, and branding? In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to organize multiple pages under a single parent page using the WordPress site editor. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to WordPress. Once you're on the homepage, look at the top right corner and click the login button. You'll be taken to the WordPress login screen where you can choose how you'd like to sign in. The easiest way is to continue with Google. Just click Continue with Google, select your Google account, and in seconds, you'll be securely logged in without needing to remember any extra passwords. Now that you're logged into your WordPress account, you'll be on your dashboard. Now that you're inside, look for the plus icon at the top left corner. Here, you'll see multiple options. Click whatever you want to do. Click that. Once you do that, you'll enter the WordPress site editor, the place where you can visually manage how your website looks and functions. Inside the editor, focus on your site's header section. This is usually where your navigation menu appears. Click on the header and you'll see a section called Page Display. This is where you can organize how your pages appear and link to each other. The header area is important because it controls how visitors navigate your site. If you want your site to look structured and professional, setting up your pages properly here makes all the difference. Next, look for a small plus icon. This is what you'll use to add new pages under your main page. Click on the plus icon and a new interface will appear, allowing you to add or link a new page. Now, enter the name of the page you want to add. For example, if your main page is services, you could name the new page web design or SEO. Take a moment to double check the name before continuing. Getting it right now will save you from confusion later. After entering the page name, select it from the list of available pages. This ensures that WordPress links it correctly under your main header page. Once everything looks good, click the Save button. Saving your work is an essential step. It applies the changes to your live website and keeps your structure intact. And that's it. You've just organized multiple pages under one parent page in WordPress using the site editor. This setup not only makes your website easier to navigate, but also gives it a more professional and user-friendly structure. Visitors can now explore related content more easily, and you get to manage everything in one simple layout. So go ahead, take a few minutes to try it on your site. You'll be surprised how much cleaner and more organized your website will feel once your pages are properly grouped. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick WordPress tips.